Do you remember the legendary Taco Bell caramel apple empanadas? You know, the ones that disappeared and broke our hearts? Well, guess what? I'm bringing them back into your kitchen, and they're pretty easy to make. Now, you are going to need some canned apple pie filling, a little bit of water, some caramel sauce. This is the sauce that makes these up. Then you're going to grab some of the Goya empanada shells available in the frozen section of your grocery store. Fill them up, but not too much, and then crimp them together. Then you're going to go ahead and deep fry these in vegetable oil, and you're going to cook them until they're brown on both sides. And you'd think you'd be done. But do you know that these had a lovely little vanilla glaze? And you're going to go ahead and mix this up and brush them on while they're still nice and warm so that glaze gets an opportunity to soak in. One bite and you'll forget Taco Bell ever discontinued these. Save this recipe and taste the nostalgia at home. What discontinued fast food item do you miss the most? And hey, if you like copycat recipes, be sure to come to copycat.com.